there, welcome to the Locker Room. Coach Giggs here, and today's message, imitation or original. Which are you? Imitation or original? Which are you? First of all, I just came back from the Art Basel in Miami. It's the second largest display of art in the world. And I got to see a lot of great art. There were some originals, and then there were some seriographs. Guess which one was more expensive, more valuable? The original. The same is true for you and me. You are valuable beyond what you can imagine because there's only one you. Your DNA is unique. God made you and me very different and unique from anyone else. So why would we want to be anyone else? Well, maybe because we look at what other people have and maybe what they've accomplished or how they look or the positions they hold, and we say, gee, I'd like to have that. And it's okay to look at other people and want what they have and to do what they do. But you got to be careful, because if we focus too much on what others have and think that what they have is better than what we have, or that they look better than we do, or they're smarter than we are, then we're going to live a life of frustration because we can't measure up in our own minds. Here's the beautiful thing. If you copy them in any way, shape, or form, you are doing an imitation. And guess what? When you go to the art show or you go to an art gallery, the most valuable piece of art is the original, not the copy. Imitation is suicide. Envy is ignorance. If you develop your own powers, if you have in your own mind the unlimitedness thinking, if you set out to pursue your own goals, if you stand up for what you believe is right, if you take risks at being unique and different, then you will create a beautiful life. I remember when I would first start speaking publicly, I would copy that of other speakers. And I wasn't that effective. Gee, no wonder why. I wasn't being myself. When I started being myself, my speaking got better. The same is true for you. If you'll just wake up each day and be the original you that was created on this earth, and tap in to those gifts and talents that are unique to you, to your own strengths. Know your own strengths. Know your own weaknesses. Work at being emotionally intelligent. In fact, there's a great book called Emotional Intelligence. And if you do this, and we decide that we're going to honor our uniqueness and we're going to tap into our own unique self, then guess what? We'll be living our very best lives. So remember, as you go about your day, don't try to be like someone else. Don't envy what other people have. Don't be jealous of other people. It's good to admire. It's good to respect others. But it's most important to be good to yourself, to respect yourself, to honor yourself, your God-given uniqueness. Remember, you are an original, and you are perfect. You are gorgeous just the way you are. So that's today's Locker Room. Imitation or original? Which are you? Let's all be the original self that we were intended to be, and then we'll be our very best selves. Make it a great day. We'll see you tomorrow in the Locker Room. Take care, gang.
If you've enjoyed and feel that the Daily Locker Room has served as an inspiration in your life, why not take this moment and do the same for a friend by sending them the daily message? Click on the Tell a Friend tab, fill in their information, and help spread the inspiration.